Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so let's localize the app which is causing you some problems. Tap on it and hold it and tap on this info icon. So we will be transferred to a specific section in which we can try to do something. So I recommend to start with the storage. Let's tap on storage. Here we've got a cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they are occupying the memory and they might cause some problems and misbehavior. So I highly recommend to tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK and your device will immediately remove it, which is great. If you wish, you can restart your device to kind of confirm the changes, but it is not necessary. After getting back, I highly recommend to also tap on force stop here, this X button. Why? Because sometimes it happens that the device keeps the app opened in the background, even though it is not visible in the recents, but it is still running in the background and it prevents of normal and proper usage of the app. So you are not able to reopen it because it is still opened, but you cannot, show it or enter it. So force stop is a great option. Just tap on force stop and tap on OK. And now you can try to open the app and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. If not, I highly recommend to check for the updates because sometimes older versions might misbehave. So to do that, we have to open the Play Store. You will need to be logged in. You can check our tutorial how to do it. Just check how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. I've just recorded that video. And after entering the Play Store, just tap on search and enter the name of the app which is causing you some problems. In my case, let's say Chrome. It is not true, but just for an example. Your device will find it, so just tap on Google Chrome here, and if the update is pending, if it is available, your device will show it to you. So instead of uninstall, you will have this option update. So then I highly recommend to tap on update, wait, and your device will update the app. However, because it is overwriting the new version over the older one, it also might cause some problems. So if the update didn't work, I highly recommend to get back to this section and then tap on uninstall. Your device will uninstall the app. I also highly recommend to perform a backup before, so your device will also back up the data from the app. Then uninstall the app and install it again. Why? It is because your device will directly install new version. It will not overwrite new version over the older one, but directly install the newer version, which also might omit some problems with overwriting, etc., etc. And if we are talking about the updates, I highly recommend also to check for the system updates, because sometimes the apps are optimized for newer updates, for newer systems, and if you've got the older one, it also might have some problems with working with those new updates, newly updated apps. So to do that, we have to open the settings, scroll up to find About Phone, and tap on it, and then tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. And now your device will check for the updates. Here I've got the information that no updates are available, but if in your case you will find the update, I highly recommend to download it, not only for the purpose of this specific app, but also for increasing the security, because updating your system regularly will increase the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.